Hi, Susan. I just wanted to wish you happy birthday. I also wanted to let you know that I appreciate your friendship. I admire the love that you have for your children. Julia, Katie, James, and Joshua, I know they are extremely proud to have you as their mother. You provide them with the friendship, stability, compassion, laughter, and love that they need. If anybody wants to learn how to parent, all they have to do is look at your children. Each and every one of them have a little bit of you. Each of the characteristics I just explained about you, they have them too. Why? Because of you. You're a hard worker, you're dedicated, you're a good friend. People adore you. So Susan, I hope you have an incredible birthday. If there's anything you need, just give me a call. God bless you. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.